Hi, this is Psychic Shelley Hofberg, and I'm going to be doing the MeWe online Zoom Psychic Fair on Saturday, December 19th from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific time to 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern time. And there will be many psychics and healers to select from. They will have a panel of psychics to answer your free psychic questions. There will be many metaphysical and psychic lectures. I will be doing 2 lectures to promote my upcoming events, Meet Your Spirit Guides, and the Season of the Tarot. And to find out about my lectures, what time they are, and to get the Zoom link, go to www.jointhefair.com. And to find out about my psychic readings, go to www.psychicshellyhofberg.com or call 818-744-5241.